YouTube Shorts unveiled AI-generated video backgrounds with Dream Screen feature. YouTube on Thursday unveiled that its Dream Screen feature for Shorts is upgraded, allowing you to create AI-generated video backgrounds. The new upgrade was only possible due to the integration of Google's DeepMind's AI video generation model, Veo, which can create 1080p video clips in different cinematic styles. After the update, users can utilize the feature to turn text prompts into AI video backgrounds. To access the Dream Screen feature, follow these steps. You're required to go into the Shorts camera and tap the green screen icon and then select Dream Screen. From there, you can type in a prompt such as candy landscape or magical forest with a stream. Next, you can pick an animation style and tap Create. Once you've provided instructions, the Dream Screen tool will generate a series of video backgrounds from which you can select the right video. Once you choose an AI video background, you can record a video with it behind you. YouTube stated that the new feature can be used for things like putting yourself in the setting of your favorite book or creating an animated opening for your short. It's important to note that YouTube is giving Shorts creators access to a feature that's not available on TikTok. The Dream Screen feature for YouTube Shorts is currently available in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand.